keep missing. Oh, you got it. Damn. Safety, huh?
You don't know where he's been or what trouble he has found. You missed just to the side when you hear those sirens call. But don't ever try to stop a man that's running from the law. But a man escaped from prison and went looking for a score. But he needed a little money, so he held up a store. Somebody tried to stop him, became a victim to this song. But don't ever try to stop a man that's running from the law. Don't ever try to get in his way. No one likes a hero anyhow. He might just blow you away or lay your stinking ass in the ground.
That was more like a rabbit.
What's going on, guys?
Oh!